Hello everyone. So let's see how we can uninstall the management point from the SCCM. So to do it, we are going to remove the roles. First of all, we'll go to administration, then we'll go to site configuration, servers and system roles, and we can see our management point. We just need to do right click, select the management point and right click and remove the role. Before you remove any role, there is a pro tip to please save all the configuration changes or the settings which are applied on the management point or whatever the changes you are making. We'll click on yes to remove the role. Now we can see it will be removed from here. So once it has been removed from the console, we'll go to the logs folder, we'll go to File Explorer, our SCCM client installation folder, configuration manager, and we'll go to logs, and then we will go to mp setup.log. So in the mp setup, we need to see what is happening whenever we are trying to uninstall the management point. Let me maximize it. So currently there is no entries. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes before we can see any entries, and the uninstallation should start. Okay, we can see the SMS mp setup started and it is removing the SMS role, the management point role. And we can see it is showing some product code which is getting removed right now. It will take at least 5 minutes to see all the entries or success message code or any error code. Let's wait for few minutes. So we are looking for a message which says mp setup.log exiting with return code 0, which means it is successful. Or we can have some other return code like a reboot, which may be required for the complete uninstallation. Let's wait for 1 or 2 more minutes to see all the entries here. Okay, it should be here anytime soon. Okay, we can see our deinstallation SMS and then deinstallation management point exited with return code 3010. That means my uninstallation is successful. The return code 3010 is for that it requires a reboot. So we'll reboot my server right now for the complete uninstallation, and then we'll check back the entries in the mp control, mp setup and mp msi.log. So let me reboot my server. Just allow me 1 minute. Just a second, guys. Okay, I'm rebooting my server right now. Once it is reboot, I'll check the mp setup.log and mp.msi.log to see the installation, the uninstallation success code. My server has rebooted, and the mp setup I can see the deinstallation completed. Now I will go to mp msi.log and I will see, okay, removal completed successfully for config manager management point. Perfect. That is what we are looking for. We can see the Windows installer required a system restart. We already did it. And this, after the system restarted, our management point is successfully uninstalled. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.